Okay. Standing counsel FT and border matters presenting respondent number 2 and 4. And Mr. P. Sharma, government advocate appearing for respondent number 3. Filing this interlocutory application, the applicant is seeking extension of time to appear before the Superintendent of Police within bracket border, Morigao, in terms of order dated 10/8/2022, passed in WBC 5130/2022. Next, the learned standing counsel for the FT matters has opposed the application on the ground that the delay is not properly explained. Next, be that as it may, what is inclined to grant one, taking note of the explanation center.
What?
Next, although the fault lies on the applicant for not appearing before the Superintendent of Police within bracket border or Morigao within time allowed, nonetheless, the reluctantly allow this application by extending 7 days time from the date of the order for the petitioner to appear before the Superintendent of Police within bracket border, Morigao. Stop. On such appearance, the Superintendent of Police within bracket border, because of Morigao, shall do the needful in terms of order dated 10/8/2022, passed in WBC 5130/2022. Next paragraph. It is very clear that if the applicant fails to appear before the said authority within the extended time, this order shall stand lapsed by efflux of time. Next paragraph. In the meanwhile, the petitioner shall also deposit a sum of rupees 1,000 before the District Legal Services Authority, Morigao, as cost for delay in compliance of the order of the court dated 10/8/2022, passed in WBC 5130/2022, which will be a condition precedent for the extension of time, and the applicant shall produce a receipt of acknowledgement of such cost to the Superintendent of Police within bracket border, Morigao. 1,000 cost as a pre-deposit. 7 days time to appear. You can appear along with the certified copy of this order. It is possible.
Article.
What is the correction?
Page number 14, my lord. The order.
Yes.
This should be in the third, third para in this in this page, and third line. It should be 67 of 2015. FT case number
67 of 2015.
2015. Also, my lord, fifth para. This is also 2015. Fifth para 2015. Next page, my lord. Page number 15. 15. Second line, it should be she. And sixth line, it should be Superintendent of Police Nogao, not Barpeta. And also the last para, her, not his. So she has already been granted bail by the border police, but has been asked to submit a corrected order.
Okay. Mr. A.W. Aman, learned counsel for the applicant, also heard so-and-so that is CGC for respondent number 1, comma, Miss
S.T. Khan.
S.T. Khan, learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. A.I. Ali,
Ma'am, MSP
Mr.
Barua.
Miss P. Barwa, learned counsel for learned standing counsel for respondent number 2, comma, Mr. G. Sharma, learned standing counsel for the FT matters and border, representing respondent number 3 and 5, and Mr. P. Sharma, and additional senior government advocate, appearing for respondent number 4. There's no representation from respondent number 6. Next, the interlocutory application has been filed for correction of certain typographical errors which is crept in the order, dated 3/10/2024, passed in the connected WPC 4802 of 2024. The correction relates to the gender of the petition of the applicant, comma, the FT case number, and the concerned superintendent of police within bracket border. Next, the application stands allowed. The following corrections are allowed. Subparagraph. In paragraph 5 of the order, the FT case number shall now be read as 67/2015 instead of FT case number 67 of 2024. Paragraph 7, the FT case shall be now read as FT case number 67/2015 instead of FT case number 67 of 2014. In paragraph 8, the reference to superintendent of police within bracket border shall be read as superintendent of police within bracket border, Nogahon, instead of superintendent of police within bracket border, Borpeta. In paragraph 8, and 9, the word he, invert commas, shall be read as C, and his, invert commas, shall be read as her. Next paragraph. That his, he is in line number what? 4, line number 4. In paragraph 8 and paragraph 9, his is at paragraph 9, first line of paragraph 9.
First and
Next
third
one.
line.
Hmm?
First and third line, madam. The last word of the
Which?
third line. His.
Oh, sorry, in
My lord.
paragraph 9, first line and third line, his shall be read as her. You see page 14 and 15. First one. Next one, this applications, this order shall be read together with order dated 3/10/2024 passed by this court in WBC 4802 of 2024. So this interlocutory application stands dismissed of.
I'm grateful, madam.
Supply item 39 for orders.
phone number पे हेडना no ना हेडना दिया phone number तो इधर का phone number दे सर आई ना हस्बैंड first
We reluctantly allow it.
It's not.
They're not satisfied, but
I hope the number provided is of the petitioner's husband now, she says.
it's okay. She admitted, so we are allowing it.
Mobile number.
Lordship, the order was of 21, which they did not comply with. Lordship may impose some cost, Lordship. And again on 22 also they have a order, Lordship, which was not annexed to this petition. We
Yes,
brought
yes,
it to
we
the
see
notice
that.
the other day.
First 21, then
Then
again
22, Lordship,
22.
and now 24. Two orders went by and they never appeared before the SP, Lordship.
But Ms. S.Z. Hayat, then the counsel for the applicant, also heard Spencer Lalit CGC appearing for respond number 1. Mr. A.I. Ali, Lanet, standing counsel for respond number 2. Ms. A. Verma, Lanet, standing counsel for the 50 and Home Department, representing respondent number 3 and 6, as well as Mr. P. Sharma, Lanet, additional senior government advocate appearing for respondent number 5. None appears for respondent number 4. Next question. By filing this interlocutory application, the applicant is seeking extension of time to appear before the Superintendent of Police within bracket border, bracket plus Borpeta, in terms of order dated 22/12/2021, passed in the corrected WPC 5838 of 2019.
19, Lordship, 5838 of 2019.
2019. Yes, 5838 of 2019. As well as order dated 6/8/2022. Also passed in the said petition. It may be also stated that by filing an affidavit on 13/11/2024, the petitioner is now provided the mobile number of her husband through whom she can be contacted. Next, the application is opposed by the learned standing counsel for the FT and border matters. On the ground that the explanation is vague and does not inspire confidence. Next paragraph. Although we take note of two consecutive default on part of the petitioner, applicant, to appear before the Superintendent of Police within bracket border or PETA in terms of order dated 22/12/2021, as well as 6/8/2022, both passed in WPC 5838 of 2019. We reluctantly allow this application. By imposing cost as indicated here in author. Next, the subject to deposit of cost of rupees 2,000 before the Secretary, District Legal Services Authority, Borpeta, and subject to production of the acknowledgement of payment of such cost before the Superintendent of Police within bracket border, Borpeta. The applicant is directed to appear before the Superintendent of Police within bracket border or Borpeta within 7 days from the date of the order and furnish bail bond of rupees bail bond as well as security as indicated in the order dated 22/12/2021 passed in WPC 5838 of 2019. Next para on compliance of the conditions and on furnishing the bail bond, the Superintendent of Police in the bracket border Borpeta shall do the needful in terms of the said order dated 22/12/2021. Referred above. Next para, it is made clear that on non-payment of cost and on non-appearing before the said authority within the time allowed, this order of extension of time shall stand lapsed. Next para, this application stands, interlocutory application stands allowed.
Earlier place.
In this connected read petition, you say list the matter after a week.
Yes, for hearing lordship. Earlier place, lordship.
Is it ready for hearing?
Yes, LCR is there, lordship.
No,
Yeah.
whether we have issued notice.
Notice was issued, I think, long time back, lordship. Notice was issued when, in 21 only, when they obtained the interim
It could be,
lordship.
yeah.
Hearing.
Hmm.
Basically, it is for getting in into.
List the matter after a week for hearing.
My order. That is not FT,
FT.
not FT. Accessory to delay composure. Accessory to delay composure.
Mr. Roy, what is this matter about?
This is a service matter.
Service matter.
Lordship.
So wrong file has come.
The wrong file has come and it is a bench 3 matter. Lordship.
Huh?
Bench 3 matter.
This is base 3 matter.
Yes.
Okay, the court must will take care of it.
Lordship.
Bench 3 matter.
Item 3 for motion.
Yes, you have.
Have
you
we have
rectified?
already brought the on record the phone number, Lordship, pursuant to the last order, Lordship.
Record a highlight.
Yes, where is the opinion? Which page?
Case
23,
23, Lordship.
23, right?
What is the best document to connect you with your
Yes,
projected
yes,
parents
for-
and grandparents?
Case 42, Lordship.
44
42,
to.
1966 portal list, Lordship.
Now, apart from voter list, what is the document?
Lordship, this portal list 1960 belongs to
Hmm?
my grandfather, Lord. 42.
We understand, but apart from voter list, what is the other document?
Lordship, this is a concept certificate is there, Lordship, for to establish my links with his father and my paternal uncle also examined in favor of me, Lordship, and my cousin brother also, Lordship.
Where is your
Concept
written,
certificate 102, Lordship.
where is your written statement?
Written statement page 77, Lordship.
77. Did you disclose your brother
Yes, Lordship.
in this written statement?
Yes, Lordship. I'm
Where is that?
mentioning, Lordship. Yes. Page 79, Lordship.
79 years.
This is first what, Lordship, Roman to Moizuddin, Lordship. He is my paternal uncle who was examined as DW4, Lordship, before the learned tribunal. That is page 98.
Mr. A.T. Sarkar, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard CEC appearing for respondent number 1, Miss A. Verma, learned standing counsel for the FT and home matters, representing respondent number 3, 6 and 8. And Mr. A.I. Ali, Learned Stand equals for respondent number 3. And Mr. P. Sharma, Learned Additional Senior Government Advocate, appearing for respondent number 5 and 7. So there is no representation from respondent number 4. Page 23, opinion dated 19/6/2024. As per so and so. Declaring the petitioner to be a foreigner or post 25/3/1971 stream is assailed in this petition under Article 26. Notice call for the records. Extra copies within 2 days. Bail of ₹5,000. To the satisfaction of
Respondent number 6, Superintendent of Police Border.
Superintendent of Police Border Dhubri.
Lordship.
Why you have given 2?
Because
Superintendent
Lordship, some parts of the village where the reference was initiated falls under the jurisdiction of South Salman. Now,
Okay, but you are under Dhubri.
yes, Lordship.
7, 6.
6.
Superintendent of Police respondent 6. 10 days time to take bail.
Lordship.
I just we also say earlier that the learned counsel for the petitioner has submitted that pursuant to order dated 11/11/2024, passed in this writ petition, the petitioner has filed an additional affidavit to bring on record her phone number. Only
Obliged.
Item 4.
yes, Mr. Vanka, which is the best document you have?
My lord, in addition to my lord, the voter list, I got my lord, the land revenue payment receipt from in my father's name and the Sita copy of the certified copy and the Jamabandi copy, my lord.
Was it exhibited?
Yes, that was exhibited. That was exhibited as my lord. These were exhibited as exhibit 12, 13, and 14, my lord. No, 13, 14, and 15, my lord. Sorry.
12,
13, 14, and 13, 14, and 15. And subsequently, my brother's name also mutated in place of my father's name.
where is the document? Exhibit 13?
13 is a my lord, money receipt, my lord, the revenue payment receipt, my lord. That is exhibit 16 here, my lord.
No, and the
Annex 16, my lord.
Jamabandi?
It is page number, lordship will get at annexer 16 at page. It is 94, it is started, my lord. It is
90?
94 of my repetition, my lord.
94 is
Revenue-
Kachakata.
Revenue payment, my lord. Then the 90, this is type copy. Then 16 also, it is Sita, my lord, is copy. Then my lord, the annexer 18 is my lord, Jamabandi copy, the computerized copy, my lord. My name also there in last one, my lord.
Okay. Mr. P. Mohathar and counsel for the petitioner. Also, it's learn the CEC appearing correspondent number 1 is A. Verma, and it's Standing counsel for the FT and home matters. Representing respondent number 2 and 5. So AI Ali Leonard, standing counsel for respondent number 3 and 6. And so 3 and 6. There's no representation for respondent number 4. Which page is the opinion?
Opinion is, my lord, at page it is started from 20, my lord. And the findings, my lord, it will not get at
Page 2.
para, it will be started
Opinion
from
dated 20 March 2024.
27, it will
As
be
by so
started.
and so in so and so. You should notice. Extra copies within 2 days. Call for the records. Bail of rupees 5,000. To the satisfaction of. Bail to the satisfaction of.
Satisfaction of, my lord, the
Superintendent of
Superintendent of
Border Borpeta. Bring back plus 105. Then this time to appear and
Must-
take bail.
must-
Bail is the order shelter and remove.
Item 5.
May I believe the lordship?
Yes, Mr. Mahmood, you have filed an affidavit to bring on record.
Yes, yes, it is filed, madam.
What is your, what do you say?
Yes, madam, that actually that was in also in the writ petition to some extent. But elaborately I have stated in my additional affidavit that lordship may kindly see page 115. I am reading, my lord. The deponent makes to say that the impugned order was passed on 18/12/20 by the learned tribunal, but the same was not disclosed to the deponent by her lawyer though she visited her lawyer repeatedly and paid fees to him due to unknown reasons. In such a situation, she engaged another learned advocate to inform her about the status of her case in the month of August 2024, namely Abu
date 18/12/2020. And it is submitted that the petitioner has also approached the Bar Council of Assam, etc., against the engaged previous council. Next one. Issue notice. Extra copies within 2 days. All for the records. Appear before the before
Nagaon, and
Superintendent of Police
SP
order
Nagaon, water.
Nagaon within 10 days and take and furnish bail of rupees 5,000. One surety, one's solvent surety of like amount and satisfaction of the said authority. On failure to appear, the order would stand revoked. List of deficit of records.
Expert.
Highly obliged.
Item 6.
May I please go on?
Lordship, this is an ex parte order passed against the petitioner.
Ex parte.
Yes, Your Lordship. Petitioner has received the process server report after filing the writ petition, Your Lordship, which says that, which reflect that petitioner has received the notice through his son, through her son, Your Lordship, on uh, on 10 for,
This
10 for Your Lordship. Admittedly, she
notice was served.
has served Your Lordship, but I
What
have
is-
given the reason, Your Lordship, in paragraph
Yes.
23, Your Lordship.
23.
23, Your Lordship. Page 73.
Because Mr. Mira, there is another set of these proceedings who allow a ex parte opinion to be passed, then approach this court, then have this matter adjudicated. In the meantime, go back. And in the meantime, they spend 10-15 years.
No, Your Lordship, only 2 occasions she was absent, Your Lordship. And she has ample documents, Your Lordship, which I have annexed in the writ petition, Your Lordship, containing the name of her father, Your Lordship, which appeared in 1970, Your Lordship. And also land documents and chita also, Your Lordship, which I have annexed in the writ petition, which can prove her citizenship, Your Lordship. At least a chance may be given, Your Lordship.
You see, your explanation is a hopeless explanation.
This is the genuine ground, Your Lordship.
But there's no way to check this unless you make this independent candidate a party. A political party independent candidate comes to you, you say that he will take care of the FT case.
At least a chance may be given, Your Lordship. I have annexed the document which can prove my citizenship, Your Lordship. Kindly peruse.
You have acknowledgement of that independent candidate for the election. You have a acknowledgement. Because even if people go to Chief Minister's office and give them representation, they take an acknowledgement.
No,
We don't even know the name of the independent candidate.
name is there, Your Lordship.
So despite all this, he is respected for you because you don't disclose his name.
Name I have mentioned, Your.
Huh?
Name I have mentioned. I have mentioned his name, Your.
Where is his name?
It is in paragraph 23, I have mentioned. Farooq Khan, Your Lordship.
Let us examine the records. We are not giving you protection, only that you will not be reported.
Lordship, in that case, a chance may kindly be given. I have document may kindly bear with your lordship. Please.
No, that can only happen when we see the
References of 2017 lordship, she was very well aware that there's a reference pending against her.
Only two occasions, your lordship, she was absent.
let us see the opinion,
Opinion page 94, your lordship.
94.
This lordship.
Keeping this matters pending also will not help. This is a 2024 matter.
Yes, lordship.
Impose some cost and allow it. Let them,
I also was of that view, but when lordship suggested examining the
no, because
records,
this is after service, if they don't appear, they are guilty of negligence.
lordship may impose cost and remand the matter back.
We can't allow this court's summons to be ignored. Okay, we are allowing it, but we have to deposit 5,000 as cost.
Lordship will also have to grant interim, then she'll have to take bail and then proceed, Lordship.
It is before the Tribunal Police.
Yes, Lordship.
Also try to find out few institutions where we can give costs.
Lordship,
Like-
earlier it was to this High Court Advocates Fund here or the legal, district legal.
Legal Service Authority,
services.
then there are other institutions like what you call institution for this spastic children,
Sorry, Lordship.
for spastic children,
Yes, Lordship.
for this defend school and all. Try to find out these institutions also. We'll
Lordship, earlier in this High Court, it was mostly going to the Advocates Relief Fund because I think that fund had some shortage and there was lot of.
no, there are a huge fund. You may not like to hear it from me. There's a
I
huge-
have no idea on that, but Mrinal.
There's a huge
Senior
fund.
Advocate Mrinal Chaudhary had requested the court and that is how two courts would with putting it
There are
with.
huge funds,
His Lordship.
but other reasons I may not know.
Legal services, Lordship.
No, legal service is okay, but these institutions are also there. They need money badly and they use it. There's one institution in Guwahati for spastic children.
We have to find out.
Can you,
Lordship.
what is the name?
Sishu Saruthi.
Sishu Sarathi, yes.
Sishu Saruthi is there, but they get a lot of funds, Lordship.
Okay,
They-
then Legal Service Authority then.
Legal Services Authority would be.
Heard Mr. K. Miral and counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. Swensul and CGC appearing for respondent number 1. Ms. A. Verma and its standing counsel for the FT and Home Matters. Representing respondent number 2, 3, 4,
2, 3, and 4, Lordship.
Mr. P. Sharma, an additional senior government advocate appearing for respondent number 5. Ms. P. Barwa, Lanet, standing counsel for respondent number 6. Is election officer 7 who will repair?
7 actually.
Mr. Sharma. Mr. Sharma will be for 5 and 7. And Ms. P. Barwa, standing counsel for respondent number 6. So there is no representation from respondent number 8. Next one. The ex parte opinion dated 27/5/2024 passed by the learned member, Foreigners Tribunal 11th of Barpeta at Sarvog in FT case number within bracket BPT. Where is the opinion page number?
94.
This page number 94. And so it's arising out of PE number so and so is held in this repetition filed under Article 226 of the Constitution of India. Next paragraph. The learned counsel for the petitioner has submitted that the notice of the proceedings was duly served on his son, on the son of the petitioner. But the petitioner and her husband contacted one Farooq F.A.R.U.K. Khan, who identified himself as secretary of invert commas D voter Mancha MANCHA, who said that he would take care of the case. And on bona fide believe in him, petitioner did not take steps in the proceedings. And she was declared to be a foreigner of post 25/3/1971 stream. Next para. The learned standing counsel for the FT and home matters has opposed the prayer of the petitioner on the ground that the notice of the proceedings were duly served on the son of the petitioner. And as the petitioner did not appear before the learned tribunal despite service of notice, no ground is made out for interference with the impugned opinion, though ex parte. Next para. The explanation tendered by the petitioner for non-appearance before the learned foreigners tribunal it is not acceptable. Because the petitioner approached a person who is not an advocate, any other person who is not an advocate is not competent to either give advice or take steps in a quasi-judicial proceedings. To stop, therefore, the petitioner has approached the a private person with at her own risk. Next paragraph. Nonetheless, as the issue of citizenship of the petitioner is at stake, we reluctantly allowed his petition on condition of payment of cost to be indicated hereinafter. And the application is conditionally allowed. Next paragraph. As a condition for allowing this, says for interference and setting aside of the impugned opinion dated 27/5/2024, passed by so and so in case number so and so. It is provided that the petitioner shall deposit cost of ₹5,000 before the Secretary, District Legal Services Authority, Barpeta, within 7 days from the date of the order, and along with the acknowledgement of receipt of the said cost, the petitioner shall thereafter appear before the Superintendent of Police within bracket border. Which place? Barpeta. And furnish bail bond of ₹5,000 with one suitable sovereign security of like amount to the satisfaction of the said authority. Stop. Next paragraph. Furnishing of the bail bond, the Superintendent of Police shall do the needful for taking those fingerprints, iris of the eyes, etc. and usual undertaking to appear before the tribunal. Next paragraph. Seven days. Thereafter, the petitioner shall appear before the orders tribunal, Barpeta 11th. So on or before 6/12/2024, and by producing a certificate copy of this order, seek further instructions from the said learned court, said learned tribunal, next paragraph, on compliance of the conditions and subject to taking of bail, the ex parte opinion dated 27/5/2024, passed by the learned member, Foreigners Tribunal 11th, Serbok, Barpeta, in case number so and so, within bracket arising out of PE number so and so, bracket close, is set aside. Next paragraph. It is made clear that if the conditions imposed January before is not complied with, and if the petitioner does not appear before the said learned tribunal within the time allowed, this order would lapse by influx of time without any interference with the impugned opinion. Next paragraph. On appearance, next on appearance of the petitioner before the learned tribunal, the learned tribunal shall provide reasonable opportunity to the petitioner to file her written statement along with documents as well as evidence on affidavit, and produce her other witnesses in a time-bound manner. ইমান ধুনীয়া মাছ। We had missed out about the withdrawal of bail. So that we have added. Withdrawal of the order as well as bail. Okay.
Page 30 is the copy of Jamabandi, Lordship.
What is your explanation for delay first?
I have stated that paragraph 35, 36, 37, and 38.
35 to 38.
36 to 38.
Just tell us what is the ground?
Actually, initially, due to financial difficulties, he could not come, and later on, he was detained by the police. He is now at detention camp.
When was he detained?
31/5.
21/5.
3 months. 37, paragraph 30.
Okay, for the time being, we are protecting you not to be deported.
Correct.
Bail will be considered on receipt of records. And you have produced the opinion of the other cases where your brothers have been,
One was exhibited.
where is that?
Page 71.
71.
Oh, sorry, Lordship. 74, Lordship.
Where is your written statement?
Lordship, we'll find it at page 81, Lordship.
Here the proceeding, who is the proceeding?
In this case, Lordship.
Page 74, who is the proceeding?
Page 74. It is my brother, one of my brother, that is Abdul Malik, Lordship.
Abdul Malik.
Yes.
In your written statement, where is that name? Okay,
It is not there, Lordship. It is in
it is there, it is there at page 83.
in Avid.
At page 83, it is there.
83.
But we need an answer from you. Heard.
Yes.
Mr. U. Datar and counsel for the petitioner. Also heard. So, CGC opinion correspondent number 1. Ms. A. Verma, and it's standing counsel for the FTN home matters representing respondent number 2 and 4, and Mr. P. Sharma, and its additional senior government advocate appearing for respondent number 3. Which page is the opinion?
Opinion, Lordship, at page 91.
Page 91. Opinion dated 17/1/2023, passed by so and so and so and so. Is assailed in this petition filed under Article 226 of the Constitution of India. Next problem. Learned counsel for the petitioner submitted that the delay in approaching the court is explained in the writ petition. Next paragraph, be that as it may, should notice returnable on so and so after from the consent tribunal. Stop. And Ms. Verma,
Yes, Lordship.
do we have to call for the records of page 74 also?
Since he has mentioned Lordship, but he said two were declared Indian and one was declared foreigner, which was not part of his submission, but during cross,
I have
the tribunal came to know. So if in case Lordship wants to examine, then all these 4 records would have to be here, Lordship. 2 which have been, who have been declared, because same set of documents would have been used in all the 4.
Yes, that's right.
Yes, Lordship.
There are 6 proceedings at page 74.
Yes, Lordship.
And he also projects that there's one more,
Yeah, page 77, Lordship.
page 77.
Yes. It is one of his brother who was declared foreigner and he approached the Honorable High Court and now this is pending before the High Court.
So the one who has been declared Lordship, that may not be necessary, but the 2 who have been declared Indians, their records may be called for Lordship.
Indian is page 74.
74.
Yes, Lord.
This is Lordship. This is Abdul Malik and 5 others. Opinion has to be rendered against only one person, not against all the whole family together. It cannot be a common opinion.
That we
Lordship.
don't know, but this is what the order
So
says.
Lordship will call for the records of this matter, Lordship. There may be some thing more to it. References against one person, Lordship. Against each reference, there is one proceeding. Whether these proceedings have been dropped?
No,
No,
because
because
page
here,
76 says OPs.
yes,
it-
it says
in
Lordship.
plural.
Lordship may call for the records of this because here the whole family has been there, but if when the records come, we'll know whether the reference was against the thing Abdul Malik or the whole family, Lordship, and which set of documents have been used there.
The documents used is at page 75.
Lordship, I'll just. Lordship, the reference which he is referring to, Lordship, it says
No,
Abdul
because
Malik and 5 others and his son of late Abdul Bakr Siddiqui. But here, the father's name seems to be the same, Lordship.
Yes, that's right.
Let the records come,
Yeah,
Lordship, we
because-
can examine, there has to
Because
be
if you
some
see- because you
distinction.
see, for example, these documents, which is being referred as exhibit copper or torch or ilthaw. These are also used here. Okay. Records of censor, as well as call for the records of FT within bracket C, bracket was case number 826 of 2006, bearing police reference IM within bracket D, bracket was T, case number 36 of 2001. Which are 6 proceedings being Mohammed Abdul, page 74. Abdul Malik, number 1, number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Which are decided by the member, foreigners tribunal within bracket first, bracket was Morigao, by rendition of opinion dated 21/2/2013, declaring the proceedings to be Indian citizen. In this case, the petitioner projects the first proceeding in FT within bracket C, bracket was case number 826 of 2006 as his brother. Next para. Extra copies within 2 days. In the meanwhile, the petitioner, namely so and so, if not already deported, shall not be deported out of the country without an order of the court. Next, the learned standing counsel for the FT and border matters shall transmit and download a copy of this order to the authority where it will be in where? Transit camp.
It is Matia detention camp.
Transit camp.
Transit camp.
Concerned authorities of the transit camp, Matia Gwalpara. Next, the prayer for bail shall be considered on receipt of the records. Next, list on so and so. 16/12.
16/12. Of list.
It has called for the record of the other one also.
Both.
Yes, Lordship, because one reference is of 13, one is of 2006. So if they were residing together, the reference ought to have been of the same period. Lordship. So the records may reveal, Lordship.
Document.
Item 8.
Yes, what is the best document you are having?
One-side document.
Hmm?
One-side document.
Chat.
Governor certificate.
Governor certificate.
52.
Okay, it's a recent opinion, we give our protection.
This is which matter, Lordship?
8.
Okay.
9/24. September 24.
5 persons have been examined.
Huh?
5 persons have been examined.
Yes, okay.
Including the eternal uncle of the
Mr. S. the counsel for the petitioner. Mr. So CGC, learned CGC appearing for respond number 1. Mr. A.I. Ali, learned standing counsel for respond number 2. Ms. A. Verma, learned standing counsel for the FT and home matters, representing respond number 3 and 6. And Mr. E. Sharma, learned additional senior government advocate, appearing for respond number 5. So none appears for respond number 4. Which page is the opinion?
Is 183, my lord. 183.
183.
Nine 24.
183 opinion dated 13/9/2024, passed by so and so and so and so. Sending this repetition. Issue notice. Extra copies within 2 days. All for the records. Bail of rupees 5,000 with the satisfaction of Superintendent of Police in order Bapeta. To appear within 10 days. Non-appearance, whatever shall be worked. 10 days to take bail.
Item 9,
May please, your lordship.
Yes.
My lord, this is a case where, my lord, the decision was given on contest. My lord, parents,
2019.
grandparents are voter in
2019,
1960.
what is your ground for coming after 5 years?
My lord, I have explained, my lord, in paragraph 25.
Page
Because of
25.
financial hardship, my lord. Page 25, my lord. Paragraph 25, page 26.
Then you must be under care and protection of the government. At least that financial burden will be over. But 5 years we can't protect you. We'll only say that you'll not be deported.
My lord, kindly have a look at the evidence, my lord. He is voter with parents, my lord, and father is voter in 1966, my lord. So,
But
my
still
lord,
the delay, it's very difficult.
yes, my lord. Delay is there, my lord, but citizenship matter, my lord.
So we'll say not to be deported. We'll consider a prayer for bail on receipt of records. But Mr. A.R. that on a counsel for the petitioner. Also heard so CGC for respondent number 1 is A. Verma, and it's standing counsel for the FT and Home Affairs, representing respondent number 2 and 4. Mr. P. Sharma, and an additional senior government advocate appearing for respondent number 3. And Ms. P. Barwa, and it's standing counsel for the respondent number 6. Appears in call for respondent number 5. Which page is the opinion?
My lord, at page 68, annexure 15.
68. Opinion dated 5/3/2019. Passed. Right, so and so and so and so. It's in this repetition. The learned standing counsel for the FTN home matters as opposed the admission of the writ petition in view of the inordinate delay in selling the said opinion. Next, keeping the issue of limitation open. The delay and limitation open, comma, issue notice. Returnable in on 16/12/2024. So requisite extra copies of the writ petition within 2 days. Let the relevant records be called for from the concerned tribunal. Next paragraph. If the interim, the petitioner is not yet deported, comma, he shall not be deported without the order of the court. Next, the prayer for bail shall be considered on receipt of the records of the learned tribunal. It's list on 16/12/2024. Next.
Bartal.
Oh, we'll take a break and come back.
My lord, this case also decision on contest, my lord. My lord, parents
After
are
4
voter.
years.
Parents are voter in 1963.
You challenged
onwards.
after 4 years.
My lord, yes, my lord. We have given an explanation in peace. My lord, here in this case, my lord, the petitioner is a woman, my lord. That may be kindly note. Father is voter in 1966 onward. Father was examined. Then, my lord, his brother was examined. Gavra was examined. School headmaster was also examined. My lord. My lord, village. Village, my lord, originally it was a one village, Nitor. Thereafter, my lord, the village was bifurcated. One is bifurcated in 3 villages, my lord. They are falling under the Nitor Khamiri. My lord, I have explained in this regard, my lord. My lord, I have explained on page 22, my lord. The village was, my lord, originally Nitor. Subsequently, it was bifurcated into 3 villages. Nitor Khola Reserve, Nitor Kalyanpur, and Nitor Khameri. They are falling in the same village. My lord, therefore, my lord, there is no shifting, in fact, my lord. Page 22, my lord. I have given the explanation in a bold letter, my lord. Down below, the learned tribunal has highlighted the name variation of villages. In pre-1971 documents, the village name is Nitor, and in post-71 documents, the village name is Nitor Khameri. The fact is that after the year 1977, the original revenue village of Nitor has been bifurcated into 3 parts, namely Nitor Khola Reserve, Nitor Kalyanpur, and Nitor Khameri. The petitioner's parental residence after such bifurcation is falling under Nitor Khameri. Therefore, in the voter list of 1985, 1993, 97, 17, the petitioner parental village is mentioned as Nitor Khameri.
If that be so, then petitioner would be entitled to some protection. Because the DW2 was rejected, and then therefore it was held that they are from different villages and they are uncorrected. That is the ground of rejection.
Lordship may further examine, call for the records also. That is my friend's submission, Lordship. We do not know about this. Only the revenue department can tell us whether this village has been bifurcated into 2 different villages.
Because
DC is also party, my lord.
huh?
My lord, deputy commissioner
Deputy
is also
Commissioner is a
party.
party.
Lordship, the opinion was passed in
19,
the-
2020,
this is 20,
4 years.
Lordship. Yes.
That we have noticed. But that is the only question was whether this village discrepancy in village is accounted for. If it is same,
It's all for the records also. There may be other documents also which have been discarded. It not the only document, Lordship.
no, the DW2 was discarded because of that, and therefore this opinion. It was never accepted. That they are members of the same family.
The government can get the information on the bifurcation of the villages.
That happened in 77.
Yes, madam.
There must be some document to that effect which the government can replace it before this court, Lordship. And my friend's submission is not supported by any notification that it
Because
was
there will be
bifurcated or
none.
something.
There will be none.
There must be something, Lordship.
No, because a normal citizen will not have it.
No,
A
government.
municipal ward created. If I am in ward number 1, my house tomorrow falls in ward number 5, I would not have a notification for that.
But
just have to
regarding
see
his
that-
submission, Lordship will have to examine because he's
No, he'll
making the
examine it.
submission and the
He'll examine
tribunal
it.
has discarded it.
Sorry. Mr. A.R. Sigdat, I'm a counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. So-and-so, when at CGC appearing for respondent number 1. Yes, A. Verma, and it's standing counsel for the FT and home matters, representing respondent number 2 and 3. And Mr. P. Sharma, and an additional senior government advocate appearing for respondent number 3, sorry, 4. And Ms. P. Barwa, and it's standing counsel for respondent number 6. So there is no representation from respondent number 5. Which page is the opinion?
My lord. It is at page 129 and except 21.
Item 11. Number 9. No, no, it will go next to them. Next, 11. 11 to 9.
What shall we do? Inquiry conducted only against whether. page 129, the opinion dated 24/2/2020 passed by the learned member from a foreigners tribunal number 6th from Bopeta in connection with FT case number 917 of 2017, arising out of reference FT case number 04/16. This, declaring the petitioner to be a foreigner of post 25/3/1971 stream is sailed in this writ petition filed in the Article 226 of the Constitution of India. First off, the learned counsel for the petitioner has submitted that as the petitioner is hailing from a poor family, she could not assail the opinion within a reasonable time. Next paragraph. The learned standing counsel for the FTN border matters has opposed the admission of the appeal of the in view of the inordinate delay in approaching the court. Next paragraph. Be that as it may, keeping the issue of delay and limitation open, issue notice returnable in 4 weeks. Requisite extra copies of the writ petition be served on the learned state and departmental counsel within 2 days. Next paragraph. Petitioner shall appear before the Superintendent of Police within bracket border, bracket close Bopeta, within 10 days and furnish bail bond of rupees 5,000. The condition attached in the order, those conditions put there. It is made clear that if the petition does not appear before the Superintendent of Police within bracket border, because of Bopeta within the time allowed, the order of bail shall stand revoked. Next paragraph, this story. So before that, you also said, when we have said issue notice, you add there. In this case, the petitioner projects that after the year 1977, the original revenue village of Naitor, NAITUR, has been bifurcated into 3 parts, namely, Naitor, NAITUR, Naitor Khula, KHULA, Reserve, Naitor Kalyanpur, and Naitor Khameri, KHAMERI. Full stop. Next paragraph. No, not next paragraph, continue. In this regard, the learned additional senior government advocate shall obtain instructions from the Deputy Commissioner, Bopeta, as to whether the 3 villages were bifurcated out of the original revenue village, Naitor, NAITUR. Last, list after 4 weeks on receipt of trial court records, records of the tribunal.
Keep the pleasure.
11.
The learned additional senior government advocate shall send a downloaded copy of this order to the competent authorities to obtain instructions. Give me a copy.
No, we didn't get it.
My lord, contested case, my lord. Impugn order at page 90.
What is your best document?
My lord, base document, my lord, 66 voter list, 70.
No, apart from voter list,
Voter list in the name of father, my lord.
no, apart from voter list, how do you connect yourself to your projected
My
parents?
lord, that Gaubura certificate is not there, but petitioner EW2, my lord, father deposed in favor of the petitioner.
Father deposed.
Yes.
Where is his evidence?
Page 73, my lord.
'73.
73. Annexer 14.
End of the matter. Your cross-examination. You're a wonderful witness. Your father is a wonderful witness.
My lord.
Your father is a wonderful witness. See page 79. Your translated copy, SM is in, sorry, handwritten is in 80.
79, my lord.
You don't read while drafting. Okay, but it's a recent opinion. Call give protection. So this is Heard. Mr. M.A. Sheikh, learned counsel for the petitioner. Which page is the opinion?
My lord, page 90.
Mr. M.A. Sheikh, learned counsel for the petitioner, also heard. Mr. Swensford, learned CGC appearing for respondent number 1. Mr. G. Sharma, learned standing counsel for the FTN. Home Affairs, representing respondent number 2, 3, and 5. As well as Mr. P. Sharma, learned additional senior committee advocate, appearing for respondent number 4. None appears on call for respondent number 6. Next, the page 90. The opinion dated 31/5/2024, passed by so and so in so and so, is assailed in this writ petition and under Article 226 of the Constitution of India. Next, by the learned standing counsel for the
Page 104, my lord.
FTN Home Affairs has submitted that there's privacy no merit in the present a petition in view of the cross-examination of DW2, who is the projected father of the petitioner. Next para, be that as it may, issue notice returnable in 4 weeks. Requisite extra copies of the writ petition be served on the learned CGC, State and Departmental Council within 2 days. Next para, let the relevant records be called for from the consent tribunal. The petitioner shall appear before the Superintendent of Police within bracket border, Morigao, within 10 days and furnish a bail bond of rupees 5,000 with those conditions. Next, on failure of the petitioner to appear before the Superintendent of Police within bracket border, Morigao within the time allowed, order of bail shall stand default. Next, released after 4 weeks on receipt of records of the tribunal. 10 days time to take bail.
Hello.
Well,
Impugned order, my lord, page 37.
What is the explanation of delay of 3 years in approaching the court tribunal, the court?
My lord, the brother works in the ITBT.
Pardon me?
The brother works in the ITBT. We have not given an explanation because they just came late to us, my lord. But father and brother appeared. The brother works in the Indo-Tibetan Border Police. And the rejection is, my lord, that two deposition, my lord, page number 42. It says unproved nationality. Both father and brother.
Pardon me, I did not follow you.
My lord, page number 42. The father and the brother appeared.
Yes.
Page number 42, para 15. It's OP's brother, Sohidul Islam, who works the ITBT, and the father, Sufi Mia DW3, are of unproved nationality. There was one school certificate, my lord. Initially, my lord, the father's name was written as Safi Mia, which is the real name. But after shifting, it was written as Mofizuddin Mia, but later corrected, my lord. School certificate, my lord, page number 48.
Heard Mr. A.W. Aman,
My lord.
counsel for the petitioner. Also heard. Mr. Sharma, you are appearing as CGC in the matter? You are appearing as CGC? Ms. Videka. Okay. Okay. Now let's CGC appearing for respondent number 1. This P. Barwa, Lanet standing counsel for respondent number 2. Mr. V. Sharma, Lanet standing counsel for the FTN Home Affairs, representing this respondent number 3 and 5. And Mr. P. Sharma, Lanet additional senior government advocate, appearing for respondent number 3. Stop. None appears on call for respondent number 6. Next for opinion dated 1/11/2021. Which page is the opinion?
Page 37, my lord.
Page 37. Expert, the opinion dated 1/11/2021. Passed by so and so in so and so. Arising out of PE number so and so. Is assailed in this petition filed under Article 226 of the Constitution of India. Next paragraph. Issue notice returnable in 4 weeks. Because it extra copies of the petition be served on the Runnet CGC, State and Departmental Council within 2 days. Next, the records be called for from the consent tribunal. Then, next paragraph. The petition shall appear before the Superintendent of Police within bracket border,
Barpeta.
Borpeta, within 10 days and furnish a bail bond of ₹5,000 with those conditions in the order. Conditions, take the conditions from the secretary. Next paragraph is made clear that if the petitioner does not appear before the Superintendent of Police within bracket border, within the time allowed, and take bail, the order of bail is revoked by lapse of time. Next paragraph. List out of 4 weeks on receipt of the tribunal's records.
I'm grateful, my lord.
Artin,
Maybe lordship.
Yes, Mr. Ali.
Import of case 71.
After 5 years, we can merely say that not to be
My
deported,
lord, that is, I explained my lord, case 11.
but still it is 5 years.
Yes, my lord.
We consider a prayer for bail on receipt of the records.
My lord, the petitioner father name appear in 96 is for
It's okay, you may have a good case, but we are not giving you bail right now. We consider your application for bail after receipt of records. Heard. Mr. H. Ali, Leonard, counsel for the petitioner. Also heard. So B. Dekal and the CGC appearing for respondent number 1. And it's P. Barwa and it's standing counsel for respondent number 2. Mr. G. Sharma, standing counsel for the FTN Home Affairs, representing respondent number 3 and 6. And Mr. P. Sharma, an additional senior advocate, appearing for respondent number 5. So there's no representation from respondent number 4.
only my lord.
Issue notice returnable in 4 weeks.
State emblem one is what that government rejected. My lord. Headmaster,
Pardon me?
Only the state emblem was used on that ground, my lord.
No, but still, there is a delay, otherwise we would have
Yes,
considered
that's
your
why
prayer
I'm
for bail
right.
right now.
We are not.
Which page is the opinion?
I was just 71, my lord.
71, okay. Impugn opinion dated 19 to 19. Passed by so and so and so and so. Is assailed in this declaration filed under Article 226 of the Constitution of India. Mr. By the said opinion, the petitioner was declared to be a foreigner post 25/3/1971. Next paragraph, the learned standing counsel for the Home and FT matters has opposed the admission of the repression on the ground of inordinate delay in approaching the court. Next paragraph, be that as it may, issue notice returnable in 4 weeks. Requisite extra copies of the repression be served on the learned state and learned states, learned CGC, state and departmental council within 2 days. Next paragraph, the relevant records be called for from the concerned tribunal.
My lord, the petitioner before your lordship hails from the state of Rajasthan, my lord, from the district of Churu.
What is the delay? What is the
My lord.
explanation of 2 years delay?
Not explained.
You explained the delay in approaching the court.
My lord, my father's name is.
No. Have you explained the delay in approaching the court? This opinion of 22.
It is opinion of 22. In the year 2023, I filed it, my lord, in the month of September 2023. Now it has come in the year 2024. In the month of September 2023, I had filed the writ petition. my lord.
No, you filed it on 4/10/2024.
My lord, kindly see the affidavit which I have annexed at page number 19, my lord. Page number 19.
No, you see that there is a defect which you did not cure. So the filing is accepted after the delays. After you have cured the defect.
My lord, the impugn order is on 17/9/2022. It is at page number 55, my lord. Yes. 17/9/2022. Okay.
Where is the opinion?
My lord, at page number 60, my lord. 55. Opinion is at page number 60. Judgment is from my lord, order is from page number 55. Opinion is bad in the eye of law.
This calls for an interference, Mr.
Yes.
That, Mr. Sharma.
Lordship,
This-
re-
This
record
person
me-
can't be a person of
Yes,
foreign origin.
yes, Lordship. For the time being, record may be called for Lordship, interim may be allowed Lordship.
Genuine Indians are harassed in the name of the foreigners.
But Mr. A. Sattar, learned counsel for the petitioner, also heard Mr. B. Dekal, learned CGC appearing for respondent number 1, Mr. G. Sharma, learned standing counsel for the FTN Home Affairs, representing respondent number 2 and 4, and Mr. P. Sharma, learned additional senior government advocate appearing for respondent number 3, and Mr. M. H. Kudi, learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. A.I. Ali, learned standing counsel for the respondent number 5. Page 55. The opinion dated 17/9/2022, passed by the learned member Foreigners Tribunal number 1, Dhubri, in case so and so, arising out of police reference number so and so, thereby declaring the petitioner to be a foreign or post 25/3/1971 stream is held in this writ petition filed under Article 226 of the Constitution of India. Issue notice returnable in 4 weeks. requisite extra copies of the writ petition be served on the learned state and departmental council. Is CGC, state and departmental council within 2 days. Next paragraph. Let the relevant records be called for from the concerned tribunal. Next paragraph. The petitioner shall appear before the superintendent of police within bracket border bracket with Dhubri within 10 days from the date of the order and potential bail bond of rupees 5,000. Those conditions. Next paragraph. It will make clear that if the petitioner does not appear before the state authority within the time allowed, the order of bail shall stand revoked. The influx of time. Next paragraph, list after 4 weeks on receipt of records of the tribunal. 10 days time to take bail.
My lord, kindly extend it. My mother is, I am here at Guwahati. I am 78 years of age. I shall have to go to Dhubri, my lord. Kindly extend 15 days or something like that.
Okay. 15 days from okay, within 15 days from today.
Right, Your Lordship.
Item 15.
May I please? Your Lordship? Okay.
Oh, yeah, delay.
Correct. Page 6, starting from paragraph 5, my lord.
Multiple business. Have you registered yourself? No.
My lord, the direction was to register, my lord. Page 16, my lord. And thereafter, I have again approved the Naled Tribunal. Page 18 was the endorsement, my lord. I was not able to register, my lord, because of the delay factor, my lord.
Which you have given. All these 12 grounds which you have given will be insufficient to extend this time for registration.
I do understand, my lord, but end of the day, my only.
You see, because at least on 24/8/2020,
My-
you are aware that you have not been registered. Then still you are sleeping over your rights. Yes, we issue a short notice, then
Yes.
you respond to it. Because it's declared to be a foreigner of
In between 66 to
during
71, my lord.
between 1666
Lordship, but-
1166 and 25/3/71.
Inordinate delay was not accepted by this honorable court, Lordship. Earlier. Inordinate delay was not accepted by this honorable court.
Delay was condoned in number of
Even
cases.
he was declared a stream foreigner.
I have some citations of this honorable court, my lord.
It's okay, we are issuing a short notice, let them respond to it.
I am obliged, my lord.
But Mr. A.S. Tavada, learned counsel for the petitioner, also heard Mr. B. Decca, learned CGC appearing for respondent number 1, Mr. G. Sharma, learned standing counsel for the FT and Home Affairs, representing respondent number 2 and 7, 2, 3, and 7. And Ms. P. Barwa, learned standing counsel for the respondent number 4, and Mr. P. Sharma, learned additional senior government advocate appearing for respondent number 7. There is no representation from respondent number 5. Next paragraph. By filing this writ petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, the petitioner is the petitioner, was declared to be a foreigner between 1/1/1966 and 25/3/1971. And directed to register herself before the FRRO within 30 days. File opinion dated page 13, 29/6/2020, passed by so and so in so and so, arising out of PE number so and so, comma, has prayed for extension of time to register herself. Full stop. The next para, the learned standing counsel for the FT and Home Affairs has was the admission of this writ petition on the ground of inordinate delay in approaching this court. Next, be that as it may, issue notice returnable in, give a date after 2 weeks, returnable on so and so. To some requisite extra copies of the writ petition be served on the State and Departmental Council within 2 days. Next, list on so and so.
My lord, some protection, my lord, since I have been declared, my lord.
Protection, because if you come after 4 years, what protection will give? You will not be deported.
My lord, only prayer will be, my lord, at this time for the bail, my lord. Since I've been declared in between the stream, my lord, I'll get an opportunity to register, my lord. Only the respectful prayer will be, my lord, to consider my prayer, my lord.
You see, for 4 years, you have not explained the delay. You were aware that you were not, if you accept your projection, then you were aware even in 2020 that you were not registered. Stepped over your right.
Only an opportunity, my lord. My respectful prayer will be to consider. I'm a lady, my lord. Whatever has happened, my lord, only that much prayer, my lord. Till returnable date, I should not.
No, then if you dilute it, then nobody will respect there will be complete non-compliance of the opinion.
You understand, my lord, even
If it is made so easy, bail is made so easy.
my lord, even some cost may be imposed, my lord. My respectful prayer will be, my lord. I'm a lady, my lord.
No. For 2 weeks, you'll have to do Bharat Bhraman.
My,
Prayer for bail shall be considered on the next returnable date. We are giving a fixed date,
my,
so don't worry about it. Exhibit. Where is your birth certificate? Exhibit K. Where is that?
Yes, Lordship. It is at page 93, Lordship.
Where is the order of the Deputy Commissioner allowing you to register it with some delay?
Lordship.
Any order from the district administration allowing you to have this registered
Lordship.
after a delay of 42 years?
Yes, Lordship. This is not, Lordship, maintained, Lordship. And hence,
Therefore,
Lordship,
this-
that tribunal.
Therefore, this document goes. Where is the opinion?
Opinion is, Lordship, at page 23 and onwards, Lordship. And relevant part of Lordship at page 27, Lordship, para 19 and 42 is the relevant part, Lordship. Page 27, Lordship, para 19, Lordship.
Just a moment.
Lordship,
You're giving an interpretation to the petitioner.
Lordship.
There's some delay in appearing.
Lord.
How do you have explained the delay?
Lordship,
1 year delay in filing the petition.
yeah, Lordship, I have explained, Lordship.
Poor woman.
Yes, Lord.
But Mr. B.U. Bhaskar, Lawyer Counsel for the petitioner. Also had Mr. B. Dekal and CEC appearing for respondent number 1. Ms. P. Barwad and standing counsel for respondent number 2. Mr. G. Sharma and standing counsel for the FTN Home Affairs, representing respondent number 3 and 6. And Mr. H.K. Hazarika, Learned Government Advocate, appearing for respondent number 5. So there's no representation from respondent number 4. Page 23. Opinion dated 11/9/2023. As per so and so and so and so, arising out of reference IM within bracket DT, case number 1428 of 2004, page 23. Declaring the petitioner to be an illegal migrant who was entered Assam after 25/3/1971. Sent in this declaration filed in Article 26 of the Constitution of India. Should notice return within 4 weeks. Extra copies within 2 days. Call for the records. Bail or to appear before the Tribunal of Police will be make a border. Bopeta within 10 days. Bail of rupees 5,000 to the satisfaction of visitor authority. Failure to appear. Bail order which shall be both without. By fix of time. 10 days time to take bail. Actually. We are recording, we are putting our appreciation for the tribunal. Your opinion is written well.
Yes, Lord.
Discuss everything.
Yes, Lord.
Sublime.
Please, Lordship, may not like to take up this matter. 16 and 19.
16 and 19.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay. Not before one of us. Within bracket. This is the matter before any other bench. Without one of us within bracket. Yes, 16 and 19.
Yes, Your Lordship. Item 9.
17.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes, what is your explanation for delay?
My lord, 1 year is delay, my lord. But
What is the reason assigned?
poor person, madam, that is why they could not manage. Not
That also you have not stated. It's your oral submission without instructions. The client has never said that he's a poor man. And what is the
in full
best
opinion,
document to connect you with your projected parents?
my lord, best document is, my lord, is voter list of 1997, my lord. Page number 58, my lord. Page number 58. Here, my lord, linkage is, my lord, stabilized, my lord. His mother's name is, my lord, Rohimun Nessa, and father's name is Abdul Ghafoor. At that time, Abdul Ghafoor was dead, my lord, expired. So mother's name is there, my lord. And his name is Abul Kalam, my lord. In fact, his correct name is Abdul Kalam. Here, my lord, his name was wrongly, my lord, recorded. Subsequently, it is corrected, my lord. Subsequent voter list, my lord. Serial number 171, Abul Kalam. Father's name is,
But your villages are different.
my lord.
Yes,
My lord, village is, my lord, different. But, my lord, I have stated in my petition, my lord, he, my lord, migrated from the village, my lord, Utikhati to Mazarsar, my lord, present village. Utikhati is, my lord, in the district of Nagaon, my lord. In the year, my lord, 1997, my lord, he migrated from Nagaon to Borpeta, that is present village. So this is the, my lord, problem, my lord. And for this reason, my lord, document is not relied. That's because he migrated, my lord.
He became younger also.
My lord.
He became younger also.
My lord, in regarding, my lord, age, my lord, that is a common mistake, my lord, nowadays, my lord. Regarding this, my lord, statement of local Gaubura, my lord, at Nogao, my lord. So where also, my lord.
Gaupur did not prove any contemporaneous document.
He
Gaupur has no
stated
business
that
to know
he
who
knows
is.
the petitioner and his father is also, my lord, known, my lord. This is the Gaubura's statement, my lord. DW2 is, my lord, his brother. DW3 is father, my lord. DW DW4 is, my lord, Gaubura. Page number 107, my lord. Next are 6, 107.
He also Gawura of different village lordship.
Village Putikati.
Hmm?
Putikati.
Okay.
Village Pakhali and Putikati.
He's not from Magarsa.
No, no. $97 $87. YouTube village of $87. Lord, regarding his identity, my lord, the lordship kindly see statement of Gawura, my lord, page 107, my lord. Okay. Gawura, my lord,
No, no
states,
point looking at Gambura certificate. It has the state emblem there.
my lord.
There's no point looking at that. There are certain things here we think that this is a manufactured case.
Yes.
Your age is changing, the villages are changing.
That is, my lord, discrepancy in the age, my lord. This is also, my lord, stated in my affidavit, my lord. There, my lord, illiterate person, no birth certificate is there, my lord. So age is, my lord, assumed, my lord, not exact, my lord. So that is why the discrepancy arises, my lord.
His
So this-
certificate was not issued by the Gawura lordship.
You see, everything is manufactured.
Yes.
Your witness is your brother. Brother does not know from where you are, from when you are casting your vote. Although you have changed your residence, he said that he doesn't know about the change of residence. He does not know how you obtained the Gambura certificate. Okay.
Regarding, my lord, migration, my lord, I cannot prove, my lord, there is no document that I migrated. But this is real fact that I migrated, my lord. Just because there is no documentary proof regarding migration and government is not also maintaining any such registration, the inter-district migration, my lord. So, my lord, this is very difficult for petitioner to prove
It's not very difficult.
that migration, my lord.
It's,
So,
it's
and
a
it
case
was
of,
also, my lord, about
this is a
my lord,
case, this is a case
about
where
30
you
years
are
ago, my lord.
keeping your identity under carpet.
However, my lord, voter list of 1997, my lord, shows the linkage, my lord.
No, we are not satisfied, but still we are giving a bail. You enjoyed for a few days the liberty. But Mr.
J. Islam.
J. Islam, learned counsel for the petitioner. First of also heard Mr. B. Decker and CC appearing for respondent number 1. Mr. A. Ali, learned standing counsel for respondent number 2. Mr. J. Sorry, Mr. G. Sharma, learned standing counsel for the FT and Home Affairs, representing respondent number 2,
3 and 7.
4. Oh, sorry, 3, 4,
3,
and
4,
7.
7. 3, 4.
3, 4, and 7.
Okay.
And Mr. H.K. Hazarika, learned government advocate, appearing for respondent number 6. There is no representation from respondent number 5. Page 113, flag. Opinion dated 26/6/2023, passed by so and so, and so and so. Issue notice returnable in 4 weeks. Extra copies within 2 days. Call for the records from the consent tribunal. Petitioner shall appear before the Superintendent of Police, Border, Borpeta, within 10 days from the date of the order. Bail of rupees 5,000 with all these conditions. Failure to appear before the said authority and take bail. Resulting in recording of the order. Flux of time. List after 4 weeks on receipt of family records.
Eighteen.
Your lordship given bail. Obliged, madam.
My lord, here in this case, that photocopy, certified copy of DW 1 and 2, my lord. It's not so legible, my lord. Let me file an additional affidavit, my lord, by filing this proper.
We are issuing a
I-
notice, we are saying that you will not be deported. So this is the opinion of 2019.
My lord.
You are challenging now.
My lord, what happened, my lord? I am a patient, my lord. I am lying there. That is my explanation. In the case, my
We
lord,
don't know this.
due to my physical condition.
Medical documents don't inspire confidence of
Due to my physical
5 years.
condition, my lord, I could not adduce myself, my lord, before the
Oh,
tribunal.
it's okay, but 5 years explanation, this is not sufficient.
My lord. My lord,
You will not be deported.
my lord.
Your bail will be considered on receipt of trial court, tribunal records.
No, my lord, let me produce the proper type copy of the DW1 and
It's
DW.
okay, you do it in the meantime.
Hello.
Since it's a motion matter, we are, instead of delaying it, we are issuing a notice. Head, Mr. M. A. Sheikh, Leonard, counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. B. Tekal and CDC for respondent 1. Mr. G. Sharma, Leonard, standing counsel for the FT and Home Affairs. Representing respondent 2 and 3. And Mr. H. K. Zarikar and government advocate appearing for respondent 4. And Ms. P. Barwa, Leonard,
For 5
standing counsel for respondent 5. So there is no representation from respondent 6. Which page is the opinion?
That is 52, man.
53. Page 52. Opinion dated 27/2019, passed by so and so and so and so. Says the patient filed at Article 226 of the Constitution of India. Next, the learning counsel for the petitioner raised for his given liberty to file legible copy of
Legible copy of DW 1 and 2.
DW 1 and 2. Shall be done, filing additional affidavit. Next paragraph. The learned standing counsel for the FT and Home Affairs has opposed the admission of this writ petition on the ground of inordinate delay in approaching the court. Next paragraph. Be that as it may, keeping the issue of delay and limitation open, issue notice returnable in 4 weeks. Give a date after 4 weeks. 16/12/2024. Requisite extra copies of the writ petition be served on the CGC, State and Department Council within 2 days. That the relevant records be called for from the concerned tribunal. Next paragraph. The petitioner shall be deported without any order from the court. Next paragraph. The prayer for bail shall be considered on receipt of the records from the tribunal.
Obliged.
20.
Sorry, my lords, in this case, lordship, I have, there is some mistakes, lordship, on my part, lordship. Regarding lordship, date of the impugn order, lordship. I have wrongly mentioned the date of impugn order, lordship. In the cost title
Good.
as well as prayer portion, lordship.
Okay.
So I am paying for lordship, withdrawal lordship with liberty, my lord.
Or not, if you may correct it. We will give you that liberty.
Loss.
Only in the cost title and prayer.
Prayer lordship in the petition also there is.
And what is the explanation of 2 years, a year delay in approaching, almost 2 years now? What is the explanation?
Loss.
If this is not a manufactured case, what would be a manufactured case? We both brothers were discussing. We have attained some age. Now, we don't find our names to be changed by any authority at any point of time. Since birth, my name remains same. And in this case, the name of the petitioner is Jainal Ali Sheikh. It changes to Jainal Mirza. Then it changes to Jainal Abedin. Then he becomes a female also, Jainal Bibi. Then he becomes Jainal Ali. Can this happen? Wherever you find a voter's list, you take that name. If you don't find a male, you take a name of a female.
Journal extended lordship, no female there is like journal lordship.
No, but why it doesn't happen to us? I checked with my brother. He also said that his name was never changed.
Voter lists,
I don't know.
rural area sometimes.
No, that's okay, but how does the name change? With every voter's list, your name changes. And then you say that it's same person. I can understand somebody calling in the home the name ABC. I understand. It doesn't change the name.
Journal is common, but lordship is all these names lordship.
Because you see, for a female, we may understand. She's when she's unmarried, she's writing something. Then she is married, she writes BV. After earlier, she writes Nessa. After that, BV. After that, Beva. We understand that. To change a name like that,
Yeah, in
either you have to be a good criminal, but after every arrest, you change your name.
no lordship, there is no lordship such case lordship. In one place, Zoina is
Oh, you
also-
see, it may happen to one man. In your case, every family member's name changes. Now come to your father. This is a spelling which I can't read. What is it? How do you spell it? This name?
somewhere lordship, Osimuddin, somewhere Usimuddin. Like-
Then you make it Ahmed. Then he becomes Sheikh. He becomes Mirza. He becomes everything. It's just not possible. And you don't produce your ration card or anything, and you don't even say that you don't have those. You've never taken the benefit of any government scheme, so that there's no way we can track your name. Where is your school certificate?
School certificate lordship at page 49 lordship. Page 49.
The school certificate also goes for a sixer.
Lordship, his name recorded in the lordship land deed, land sale deed lordship. Before 1970 lordship. And he is lordship 74 years old lordship. He born in the year 1950 lordship. 50 lordship. This is a certified copy of lordship's land sale deed lordship. And the official witness was also examined lordship. From that registry of the Dhubri registry lordship, sub-registry lordship.
Okay. This is J. Abbas, and also for the petitioner. So B. Tekala and CDC appearing for respondent number 1, Ms. P. Bharwat, and standing counsel for respondent number 2, the J. Sharma, G. Sharma, and standing counsel for the FT and Home Matters, Home Affairs, presenting respondent number 3 and 5, and Mr. H. K. Hazarika, and committed advocate appearing for respondent number 4, non-appearance call for respondent number 6. Which page is the opinion?
Lordship, page lordship 79 lordship.
Opinion dated 14/2/2023, page 79. Asked by the so-and-so in so-and-so, arising of reference number so-and-so, is assailed in this, comma, thereby declaring the petitioner to be a foreigner of post 25, 1971 stream, is assailed in this regulation for an Article 2.6 of the Constitution of India. Notice extra copies, notice within 4 weeks, extra copies within 2 days. Also the relevant reports from the concerned tribunal. Petitioner shall appear before the Superintendent of Police Border, Nalbari,
Lordship, it will be Baksa lordship.
Baksa.
Lordship.
Okay. Baksa. Within 10 days. Below rupees 5,000. With one sovereign security of like amount to the satisfaction of this authority. In the event of failure, then shall be lapsed. Please start of 4 weeks on receipt of travel's records.
Lordship, I may be allowed to make correction of this.
Okay, before that, the learned counsel for the petitioner is permitted to make corrections at the date of the opinion.
Yes.
In the cause title as well as prayer of the late petition under his signature.
Deeply obliged.
21.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, my name is Aisa Khatun.
What is your explanation for 4 years?
Your lordship, the petitioner could not approach this honorable court due to financial scarcity, your lordship, and we are doing this case as pro bono. That is why, and
Then tell us, why should we not secure your daily meal? Give us one reason why we should not take the privilege of assuring your daily meals. Where is the opinion?
Opinion is at page 36, your lordship, that passed on 14/2/2020. Your lordship, in this case, your lordship, there was no proper verification, and no allegation was brought against me, your lordship. If your
No,
no allegation brought against me, your lordship. If your lordship,
why not? The SP doubted that you are a citizen. Electoral registration officer expressed doubt, and therefore the examination was made, and reference was.
lordship, if verification, I have annexed the verification report, which is at page 74, your lordship. Lordship, if kindly see point number 5, that is place of birth. The Kalipara. And the lordship, thereafter point number 15 and 16 was kept blank. Whether migrated into Assam, yes or no, that was not even marked. And 16, if yes, place from where migrated.
Yeah, just one.
Para 44, page 30, your lordship, in the writ petition.
Doesn't help. You see your statement that you are appearing pro bono.
Yes, your lordship.
Why does she require money then? Financial scarcity, how does it come in the way of the petitioner to approach? She did after 4 years. What prevented her from coming earlier?
Your lordship, just recently, before filing this petition, she came in contact with us, your lordship. And
No, we'll consider a bail after receipt of records. We just protect you by not saying that you will not be deported.
lordship, petitioner is 79-year-old, your lordship.
79.
Yes, your lordship.
How do you say that?
Lordship, lordship, may kindly peruse my affidavit, your lordship, which is at page 34, your lordship.
Okay, considering your age, we grant you bail.
Obliged, your lordship.
Heard Mr. S. Chakma, and counsel for the petitioner also heard Mr. B. Tekal and CEC appearing for respondent number 1. Mr. G. Sharma, and a standing counsel for the FTN former heirs, presenting respondent number 2, 6, and 7. And Ms. P. Barwal, and a standing counsel for respondent number 3. And Mr. H. K. Hazarika, and a government advocate appearing for respondent number 5. There is no representation from respondent number 4. Opinion is which page?
Page 36, your lords.
Six. Opinion dated 14/2/2020. Asked by so and so and so and so. Notice. Returnable in 4 weeks. Revisit extra copies within 2 days. Registry shall call for the relevant records from the consent tribunal. Registry shall appear before the Superintendent of Police, Border, Bopeta, within 10 days. Bill of rupees 5,000 with all conditions. Failure to appear. Shall be revoked by place of time. 10 days time to take bail.
Lordship. Lordship, my name, S.K. Chakma, your lordship.
SK chapter.
Yes, sir. Deeply obliged.
May I please your lordship? Lordship, here the name of the father of the petitioner appears in the electoral roll of 1970, which is at page 15, lordship.
Page.
Page 15. Page
Hmm.
15. It starts at page 15.
And what is a good document to connect you to your projected father?
Father, that your lordship will find at page 19, my electoral ID. There's another.
That is that an exhibited document? Doesn't appear to be.
Lordship.
Is page 19 an exhibited document? Doesn't appear to be.
No.
Then please, when you are making submissions, you distinguish between documents next and then document exhibited. It makes our things easier.
Yes, lordship, we could not exhibit.
Because you
these
see, when you show us a document,
Yes.
you have to read it and then find out that the document downloaded date is 2024.
Yes, sir.
So you are making us take the trouble of reading. You're not. You know the concept. It is ease of doing business. You have the concept.
Yes.
Ease of doing business. What is that?
Suitability of a particular.
No. Ease of doing business is something you make it easier. Somebody wants to do business, he goes to one counter and then gets everything. There's ease of doing business. Here also, ease of doing business is that you should tell us in advance which are the document exhibited, which are not. Makes our things easier.
Actually, before the learned.
No. You see, it may amount to you may think anything. But we think that it's a attempt to mislead the court.
No, lordship.
Because in exercise of jurisdiction under certiorari, we are dealing with only those documents which are before the tribunal.
Yes, sir. But before the tribunal, lordship, his conduct was not that good, lordship. He did not appear.
We are telling you, show us your best document, and you are showing us this.
There's another document also, but that was also not exhibited.
Then.
It is also page 26.
No, that's okay. Not exhibited documents is something else, but we are examining the opinion and showing is looking at the dates, documents.
Actually, before the tribunal, lordship, he did not appear on a regular basis. Even the order is an ex parte, opinion is an ex parte opinion. He was not.
But notice was served on you.
Notice was served, lordship. His advocate did not communicate him all the dates and he did not appear on.
Because advocate is neither a party here nor there is a complaint against him.
Yes, lordship.
So he's a good lawyer.
I'm not blaming him, lordship. But
He's shown you the way how to delay the matter.
but that is the fact, Lordship, even the opinion is an ex parte opinion. And it has been recorded by the tribunal at various places that his conduct is not good.
Where is your written statement?
The written statement is, Lordship, is not available with me, Lordship, at this moment.
Hmm?
It is not available with me at this moment, Lordship. I'm appearing as a legal aid counsel. It was not provided to me. The man is in detention.
The appearing as legal aid counsel.
Man is in detention. I have not been provided with that, Lordship. It is not an.
Mr. Sharma,
This just notice me go Lordship, interim may be considered after receipt.
it's a recent opinion.
Yes, Lordship.
You
But
give
he
it
is in
protection,
detention
then
camp,
it's
Lordship.
coming through a legal aid counsel.
Yes, Lordship.
Hmm? Pardon me?
Lordship.
The petition is in detention.
Yes,
Detention.
Lordship.
Oh, then we'll call for the response. Okay.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay. Heard Dr. G.J. Sharma, Learned Counsel for the Legal Aid Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. B. Tekar and at CCC appearing for respondent number 1, Ms. P. Barwa, and at standing counsel for respondent number 2, Mr. G. Sharma, and at standing counsel for the FT and Home Affairs representing respondent number 3 and 5, 3 and 5. And Mr. H.K. Hazarika and the government advocate appearing for respondent number 4. And what is this page 29?
His father was also proceeded with Ahan Ali. His father was, and he was declared to be an Indian citizen. Operative portion, page 31. Along with his children, everybody were declared to be an Indian citizen. His father, order dated 25/8/1990. Same Foreigners Tribunal, Borpeta. This was taken into consideration by the learned tribunal, but a wrong finding was given that his father's name was, according to the tribunal, his father's name was Beham Ali, according to the learned tribunal in this order. But that is not so, Lordship. His father's name is Ahan Ali only, Lordship. Nowhere in the order his father's name is mentioned as Beham Ali. But the tribunal came to a finding that his father's name is mentioned as Beham Ali.
Where is that? Where is that finding?
Lordship, page.
No, but you see, at page 47, the court writes that, tribunal writes that, Ahan Ali, alias Rehan Ali. That means you must have said somewhere.
Para 18, page 48. Para 18, page 48. Actually, in electoral roll of 1970-79, his father's name was wrongly entered as Beham Ali. On the basis of that,
Page 42. Opinion dated 2/5/2024. Passed by the learned member, Foreigners Tribunal number 6, Borpeta, in connection with FT case number so and so, arising out of reference case number so and so, is will cover thereby declaring the petitioner to be a illegal migrant who has entered Assam after 25/3/1971. Is assailed in the state prison, filed in Article 226 of the Constitution of India. Next paragraph, the learned counsel for the petitioner projects that by an opinion dated 25/8/1990 passed by the learned foreigners tribunal, Bopeta, in connection with FT case number 43/89 within bracket capital B, which was in respect of Ahan Ali Muhammad MD, full stop, Ahan AHAN Ali ALI, who his projected father. He, along with his the projected father and his children were declared to be not foreigners. From East Pakistan to Assam after 1166 and before 25/3/1971. Next paragraph. Issue notice returnable. No, you just add there also. Further, it is stated that the petitioner has been taken into custody on when
Lordship date also is not available with me.
is taken into custody, and presently the petitioner is at the transit camp, Mati of Gwalpara. Should notice returnable in 4 weeks. Requisite extra copies within 2 days. With the records of FT case number 40/2018. Be requisition from the Foreigners Tribunal number 6, Bopeta, as well as the records of FT case number 43/1989, decided by opinion dated 25/8/1990 by the Foreigners Tribunal of Bopeta in the case of State versus Muhammad MD, Ahan AHAN Ali. We also called for next paragraph. In the meanwhile, until further orders of the court, the petitioner, namely so and so, Matiaur MATIAUR Rahman, alias Matiur MATIUR Rahman, shall not be deported without the order of the court. Next paragraph. Prayer for releasing the petitioner from detention center on bail shall be considered on receipt of the trial court records of the tribunal. You make the notice returnable on 16/12. List on 16/12.
Much only.
23.
May I please? Page 22 is the opinion, X 30 order, my lord. Dated 27/8/19 opinion, my lord. My lord, my expert will be to see the page 26 and 27. This is the process server report, my lord.
It was rightly the P5B was complied with. Page 27 shows.
My lord, it was to my understanding, my lord, it was not complied with. Only the Gauburas who identified, my lord. And
Correct.
there is no witness in this, my lord. As per requirement 3.5F, my lord. One has to identify and in presence, my lord.
But you see, Gambura knows. In every case, you depend only on the Gambura.
Yes, my lord. Here, he
And
said,
service is
possibly
only
number Amazon, our area, my lord.
Correct.
And then finally, my lord, I
It was
have tried.
affixed in the house.
Yes, my lord, and affixed the notice where he last recited as stated by the witness, my lord. Apparently, on the face of it, my lord, no witness has put his signature, my lord. Ultimately, my lord, an ex parte opinion, my lord. My respectful prayer will be, I am not on technicality, my lord. Since I am put in detention, my lord, I am seeking an opportunity, my lord, to see that I contest the
2019,
case.
you can't go for a mere asking.
Two nine, I was taken into custody on 2/9/24, my lord.
In particular, not ordering you deported, but I will call for the records.
My lord.
Let me say yes, Tabata, and counsel for the petitioner. Also heard the technical and CC appearing for respondent number 1. Mr. G. Sharma, and standing counsel for the FT and Home Affairs, representing respondent number 2, 3, and 7. And Ms. P. Barwar, standing counsel for respondent number 4. And Mr. H.K. Hazarikar, and government advocate appearing for respondent number 6. So there is no representation from respondent number 5. Next one. I think there is a standard order. Take it from them. The ex parte opinion, page 22, dated 27/8/2019, passed by the learned member of Foreigners Tribunal number 7th of Barpeta in case number so and so, arising out of reference case number so and so, is assailed in this petition. No, not that. Reference so and so, were declaring the petitioner to have illegally entered into Assam after 25/3/1971, is assailed in this declaration filed under Article 226 of the Constitution of India. The learned counsel for the petitioner has submitted that pursuant to the said opinion, the petitioner was taken into custody on 2/9/2024, and she's now, and he's now kept in the transit camp, Matia, Gwalpara. Next, issue notice returnable on 16/12/2024. Requisite extra copies of the petition be served on its CGC, State and Department Council within 2 days. Next, call for the relevant records from the present tribunal. Next, in further orders, the petitioner shall not be deported out of the country without an order of deport. Next, the prayer for bail shall be considered on receipt of the records of the tribunal.
My IA is the bail.
Well, IA, make a common order. There's IA also. We're making a common order. Consider bail after receipt of records.
The receipt of records. I'm obliging.
Supply item 37.
With me, your lordship. With me, your lordships. Lordships, I tender my apology, lordship.
Lordship,
Yes,
there is
we
an-
passed an order and then we find that they.
Yes, Lordship, Lordship,
You have
I'm
corrected it.
extremely sorry for the inconvenience caused to the court, Lordship. I will be,
You have corrected it.
no, Lordship,
No,
in the case record, it is not corrected. And if allowed, then I may,
you gave the old number instead of the new number.
the number has been juxtaposed, Lordship. The new number
No, no,
was
no.
written later and the old number was actually written first, Lordship. The page number, two cost title here, 417-2018 should be the new number, Lordship.
You make the corrections.
Yes, Lordship, in paragraph,
You do the corrections in your.
yes, Lordship, it has been explained in paragraph 2, Lordship, page 6.
It's
But
okay,
due to
but-
typographical mistake, this.
No, that's okay. Make that
Yes,
correction.
The order was passed on the earlier date by your Lordship. Then I will be allowed to correct. Lordship. And the other things you didn't.
No,
will remain same. Number two,
On the. On the. You say, at the outset, on the prayer made by Mr. Zaid Hussain, family counsel for the petitioner, was permitted to make necessary correction of the case number in the post title as well as the prayer in the writ petition.
Lordship.
So there is already order passed, huh? Take it from the, that will be added here after that. Could just record the presence, Mr. Zaid, Zaid, counsel for the petitioner. Mr. D. Decker and CGC for respondent number 1, Mr. G. Sharma, current standing counsel for the FT and Home Affairs representing respondent number 2 and 6. And Ms. P. Barwar, and it's standing counsel for respondent number 3. And Mr. H.K. Azarika, and government advocate appearing for respondent number 5. None appears on call for respondent number 4. The same order. I have it in my chamber. Take it from there. Make corrections. Asha. Respond number 3. Oh, achha. Respond number 3. I'm sorry. Mr. H. Kuli Lanet, counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. A. Adi, standing counsel for respond number 3. Okay.
Obliged.
Make the corrections, otherwise again this same.
Yes, Lordship.
thing will happen.
Yeah.
38.
Meet the Lordship. This is a contested case, Lordship. He has exhibited 25 documents, Lordship. And the impugned
What is
judgment
the-
is at
what
page
is the
1.
best-
Of my grandfather. Serial number 32 is my grandfather. Serial number 33, Ayatan Nessa, is my grandmother. And other are my paternal uncles, Lordship. And 1970 voter list also there, Lordship. Annexure 3, page,
Where is your written statement?
Lordship.
Where is your written statement?
Page 74, Lordship.
What you are trying to explain in paragraph 17, you could not follow that.
1-7, Lordship.
Yes. What you are trying to convey, we couldn't understand it.
Maternal grandfather, Lordship, that the maternal grandfather's name of opposite party Hakimuddin, maternal grandmother's name Motijan Nessa. They have 5 sons, Hasmat Ali, Raham Ali. That is, I'm trying to project linkage with my maternal side, Lordship.
That is not permissible.
Yes, Lordship. In fact, that is not required also. Only paternal side we can, through paternal side, we can prove linkage, Lordship. For that, Lordship, he has filed his voter list of his father 1985. And the Jamabandi Patta and sale deed of his father. And of his father sale deed is Lordship Annexure 4, page 25. And 1985, his father cast his vote. That also I have annexed. Annexure 5, page 32. Serial number 470 is his
The
father.
document of Gwalpara tenancy, we can't read that.
Lordship, that is revenue receipt. Revenue receipt, page 19 and 20, Lordship.
But the Assamese one we can't read.
Lordship. It is reflected in my evidence in chief also. The page 83, Lordship, paragraph 8. That the father of my grandfather, Denat Ali Sheikh, possessed land under Disney Raj State under Gwalpara.
Where is your sale deed?
Sale deed, Lordship, that page 25.
Page 25.
Yes, Lordship. Of my father, Muhammad Ali Hussain Mia, Lordship.
Page 25.
Along with his brothers, Lordship. Page 25
Page
and Annexure
20.
4. His documents are, Lordship.
25 I can't read.
The name,
Page
Your Lordship,
26.
the name, Your Lordship, can read Muhammad Ali Hussain Mia, Muhammad Iyad Ali Mia, Muhammad Iyaduddin Mia, Hokolure Pita Sorgio Hayat Ali. So my grandfather's name is Hayat Ali, Lordship. Muhammad Ali Hussain is my father. সকলোৰে পিতা স্বৰ্গীয় হায়াত আলী মিয়া, জাতি মুছলমান, পেছা কৃষি, চাং মাত্ৰা ঘোলা, ওচৰতে অভয়াপুৰী জিলা গোৱালপাৰা. That much only I can read, Lordship.
No, you see this page 26.
Lordship. Front page of sale deed, Lordship.
Just 26, yes.
Lordship.
Who is the purchaser? We can't read from here.
Muhammad Ali Hussain Mia, Muhammad Iyad Ali Mia.
No. Where you are reading? Which line?
First, after 15 rupees, Lordship. Barabar Muhammad Ali Hussain Mia.
Oh, acha.
Before the signatures, Lordship.
Heard. This is R. Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. B. Decker and at CEC appearing for respondent number 1. Mr. G. Sharma and at standing counsel for the FT and Home Matters, representing respondent number 2 and 4. Mr. H.K. Hazarika and its government advocate appearing for respondent number 3. And Ms. P. Barwa and its standing counsel for respondent number 6.
5, Your Lordship.
Oh, sorry, 5. None appears on call for respondent number 6. Opinion is page 116. The opinion dated 28/8/2024, passed by the so-and-so, in case number so-and-so. Arising out of IMDT reference case number 494 of 04. Thereby declaring the petitioner to be a foreigner of post 25/3/1971 stream is asserted in this writ petition filed under Article 226 of the Constitution of India. Show notice. Returnable in 4 weeks. Requisite extra copies within 2 days. Call for the records. Petitioner shall appear before the Superintendent of Police within bracket border. It is closed. Bongaigaon within
SP border.
10
Bongaigaon.
days. Bail of rupees 5,000 with conditions. It is made clear that if the petitioner does not appear within the time allowed, or the order of bail shall stand revoked due to effects of time. This after 4 weeks on receipt of records of the tribunal.
I'm highly obliged.
10 days time to take bail.
For admission, item 24.
May please, Your Lordship. Lordship, kindly adjourn the matter for today. I'm sorry, Your Lordship, Learned Counsel has left the court early due to some health issues.
24.
24.
It's a case of fake encounter.
Yes, my lord. Unnatural death of a Ratan Najari, my lord. Petitioner brother. It's a fake encounter, my lord, by armed force, my lord.
It's still by Indian Army. Fake encounter.
The FIR has been lodged in the year 2016, my lord.
Any order for an inquiry? Any other external inquiry was done?
No, my lord. There was a report called from SP, my lord, Sirang district. In the year 2020, my lord, there is an order, my lord. The report was called from the SP Sirang, my lord.
Lordship, a date may be fixed. Can it be done next week?
Just on, man. What has happened to the investigation of Ronin Kata Yes, case.
Yes, my lord. It has
Anything
been
Khata?
pending, my lord, from
Hmm?
2016, my lord.
Pardon me?
It has been pending from 2016, my lord.
Is there any final opinion given, final report given? Sorry, this FR or final
Final
report?
report?
Is it available? No.
No, my lord, I don't have idea on it. Last order was passed in
Sorry,
2020.
you are appearing for whom?
CGC Council, B Deca.
B Deca. Then if he's not there, you delete his name in all cases after 2 o'clock. CGC. You can't be appearing. মানুষ না থাকলে অ্যাকশন লিখে দিতে যখন না থাকে নাম লিখে কিন্তু proposition এটা কিছু দুটো হয়ে গেল নাকি একই দুটা তাহলে একই কিছু যে আপনি করা হবে করেছে দুটো who is Mr. Nath? You are appearing the matter. You are appearing the matter.
Logic.
You have records.
No, I have to reconstruct the records. My office.
Sorry, in this case, you'll have to produce the records.
For the.
But what has
give me-
happened? Because
give me
there is
contact.
contradictory stand as between the police and the army. It's quite opposite, diametrically opposite stand is taken.
Kindly allow us some time, my lord. I'll get the records. Produce.
Will, because it appears that the investigation is not done. My esteemed brother has pointed out that there is already a ministerial inquiry order. What is the outcome of that inquiry? We don't know. From your affidavit of the Deputy Superintendent of Police. Because this, what you call, Human Rights Commission has also ordered. So what is the progress of that investigation? We don't know. The National Human Rights Commission has given an order.
Got it.
After that, there's a special team constituted.
Got it.
What has happened to that?
Got it.
You are aware of that? No.
No, my lord. Kindly.
It's in your
at this
affidavit.
stage. No, that's true, my lord, but there is some, my lord,
The state has filed two affidavits.
wallet.
In the SP, one is by DSP. Sorry, Deputy Secretary of Superintendent of Police. One is by Superintendent of Police. This is Human Rights Commission has given the order.
There is some difficulty today, my lord. The
That's
record
okay,
is not,
because
the record is not.
we are finding that this matter is pending since 2017.
It's a 2017 matter. It was listed before the single bench, my lord. It has come before the developments today.
You have a copy of your affidavit of the
My lord,
Superintendent of Police.
I have some difficulty with the records.
No, it's
I
okay.
don't-
You
I
look
don't
at this.
have the copy, my lord.
This is page 75, running page.
I have to.
Look at this. Look at this. Page 76, you will find.
No one.
This is which page 75.
This
In
is
page
75.
You will find that there's a, as per notification number so and so.
Logic.
Correct. Independent investigation. This is one. Second page, again, there is a ministerial inquiry. Last line of the first paragraph.
Logic. My lord.
And in this para, there is a reference to NHRF, which perhaps the Superintendent of Police has withheld. In this, say, page 76.
I have seen. It is in between, there is no election. my lord.
So it appears that Paraba's comments has been copied
Type. my lord.
without application of mine.
My lord, I'll get the record. I'll take it.
And there's a, we'll take serious note of it because
This is
your
the
stand and the stand of the central government through the of the army is quite contradictory. We'll tell you why. Your police says that it was a joint operation. The central government, the army says it was a, we did not go there. We did not cross the river.
river.
And therefore we don't go, we are not a part of that operation. And they admit that there was a gunshot.
In fact, Lordship, I have seen that the respondent humbly submits that the incident incident of encounter was a lawful action. They said that it is a lawful action they have taken. There is a statement. Well, can you give a
If it's a lawful action, then we don't need anything else. Compensation we can still immediately award.
well, let me have the record of the inquiry, the magistrate inquiry and
Unified
the,
command, my lord.
No, whatever, but once your affidavit says it's a lawful operation, and somebody died, you pay compensation. That's simple as that.
And the person who called him on that day, he was arrested on that day itself. Day of incident.
It's okay, we were also not prepared for this.
Yes.
But why you allowed this matter to be?
Did come in the list.
Remain pending for so long?
Yes. In fact, possibly there should be a notification that these sort of cases should come immediately, like other date reference and all.
When the council is there, they can always point it out.
That is true, my lord. In between.
after 17, it was listed in 2020. Thereafter, after a gap, it was listed.
We could also have made a gap, but we thought once there is a case of
It's a
we
serious
just went through the records to just find out see if anything is there or not.
Not. Well, I'll get the record. Kindly give me some time.
Adjourning matters is not a solution.
No,
Also, it's a duly represented. Miss
P. Borwa. on behalf
P.
of-
Barwa is for adjournment on behalf of Mr. B. Degan and CDC. The notice of Mr. D. Nathan, senior government advocate, is brought to the stand taken in the affidavit in opposition, filed on behalf of the state to the Deputy Superintendent of Police and the Superintendent of Police. Which indicates that there was an independent inquiry in the matter, investigation in the matter, as well as a magisterial inquiry. Stop. Accordingly, I prays for some time to obtain instructions. Next paragraph. The learned senior government advocate is granted time to obtain instructions. Next paragraph. The learned senior government advocate shall also produce the present status of investigation of, what is the case number?
One is Runikata 68 2016.
Runikata, what is the spelling? Runikata?
RUNIKHATA.
Runikata, KHATA.
Yes.
PS case number
68 2016.
68 of 2016.
And the other one.
What is the other one?
Pokrajar PS Malot 734 2016.
Pokrajar PS case number 734 of 2016.
Right.
And information regarding final report, if any, submitted in connection with those two cases. And information, if any, if those two cases have been clubbed together.
I'll get.
Next paragraph, the senior government advocate is permitted to send it down and copy with this of the competent authorities to obtain information. Next paragraph. How much time, Mr. Nath?
Well, give me 2 weeks time.
Give date, is a kind of.
In the first week of December.
Can we fix it on sixth?
6th, my lord.
6th of December.
Lordship.
6/12/22.
Lordship.
Item 25.
Maybe 25, 26, my lords. Same sets of documents in the two brothers. 25 and 26. Impin order is page 40. DW2 is the mother mill. No. That DW, I mean, that written statement, yeah. Page 41. Page 41. Opinion. Written statement as well as evidence in sheep and cross could not annex it. Moinul. Moinul and Nurul. Yes. Milord.
Habibun Nisa, whose name appeared in the voter list of 1966 and 1970 Milot. And petitioner's name along with the mother Milot appear in the voter list of 1997. And in this case, Milot, DW3 is the mother. And DW2 is the paternal uncle. Somiruddin.
We will be rising early today.
Yes. Milot, one flagmark yellow color kindly maybe seen Milot. As per W2 message issued from the SP Milot. SI of police station incurred the matter and is finding Milot.
Inquiry report.
Yes. Inquiry report is favor of the petitioner. Both the petitioner.
But Lordship, inquiry report is not conclusive, Lordship.
No, because
So many settle Lordship regarding that, Lordship.
Okay, we'll hear it. Today we'll be rising early.
Yes.
Also, as a representative to the public positive time matter could not be heard today. List. In the week commencing 25/11/2024. One of the matters would be rolled over.
My lord, I have a small prayer in item 28, my lord. This man is behind the bar, my lord. On last occasion, my lord, the records were called for, record is not there, my lord. Or she will kindly fix a short date, my lord. That much time.
Okay,
Item
for
28,
records,
records,
item number
28, my lord.
28. Issue a reminder for the records. This is due to positive time matter could not be taken up today. Yes, records which were called for is not received, comma, the registry shall send a reminder for the records. List on 27/11/2024.
My lord. Deeply obliged.
Yes, you want to say something?
Item 27, your lordship, is a habeas corpus matter. Can it be taken up next Tuesday?
No, not on Tuesday. Take it up on Wednesday next.
Lordship.
Just remind us, we'll upgrade and take it up on the next date. 27. List on 20.
Wednesday.
27.
20.
27.
Next Wednesday, your lordship. Or
We can take it up on 25th or 27th, whenever you want.
27, let it be on 27.
no,
27. Okay, 27. 11/2024. Please remind us.
Yes.
Elvis Corporate will upgrade the matter.
much.